guys, take a walk with me while we do my very first unboxing of HelloFresh. So my box was delivered by UPS. I was not here, so he put it on my post out by my gate because you have to have, my gate has to be opened in order for you to get in. So he left it there. This is the condition he left it in. So I was not happy about my packaging. It's wet. I'm not sure if something on the inside leaked or what. So ignore my house because we're in the middle of a huge kitchen project. And so my cabinet doors are off because we're painting them. And ignore the unorganization behind the cabinets. So I really hate that. So anyways, we are going to, so I'm doing this unboxing this week, and then I have Home Chef for next week. So we're going to see the difference in the packaging and the quality of the products, and I'll even come back after I cook whatever I'm cooking tonight and show you guys what it looked like. So first, on top, we have some recipe cards. I did the creamy tomato and chicken sausage risotto, the white cheddar crunch burgers, and the spicy maple chicken. And the last one is the Arthur Avenue pork sausage and pepper heroes. All right, so those are our recipes for the week. Of course, you get some coupons, and then, so it looks like there's a cold pack, and then the stuff is, there's also a cold pack, which is pretty thawed out. So we're gonna get rid of that. And there's not a lot of stuff in this box. Let's see what we got here. This is wet. It is soaking wet. This is spicy maple chicken, and it's got a QR code on it. So, and it's also got, okay, so there's gel. Like, I know if you've changed a diaper or had a diaper leak, it's like that gel. That's gross. Okay. So, and then we have pork sausage and pepper heroes. Looks like everything is creamy tomato chicken sausage risotto. That one. And then this one is the white cheddar crunch burgers. So it looks like everything is packaged in these individual packages. And then don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice, which we got. So I'm assuming this is for the white cheddar chicken. It's a cheese stick. Just one cheese stick, but it's supposed to be smothered. Oh no, I'm sorry, my bad. There's two cheese sticks. Okay, so I have 10 ounces of ground beef. It looks pretty lean. It's cold. It looks fresh. It's not browned or anything, so. Sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. There's that. Then I have my sweet Italian pork sausages. There's that. And that's a 9-ounce portion. And this is a 9-ounce portion as well. And the last thing in our box are our chicken cutlets. It's 10 ounces of chicken cutlet. Not a lot of chicken in there. So I'm a little concerned. I might have to fry another chicken breast for that one. But anyways, that's for that. So that is the meat and the cheese sticks. And that is all that is in our box. There's also another ice pack on the bottom. So let's open our bags. This bag is the white cheddar crunch burgers. That would be what this is for, I'm assuming. I'm assuming that QR code on the front is the recipe if I wanted to do it digitally. So in my pack, this is a 2-serving kit, by the way. So in my pack, there are 2 buns, some more cheese, 4 potatoes, 1 huge onion. I do not know why I need an onion that big. I'm assuming these are crunchy onions as well. Oh, I'm sorry. I got 6 potatoes. There's 2 more in there. And then I have some sauce. So this is smoky mustard sauce. This is a smoky mustard sauce. And there's 2 of these. I guess that's 1 for each burger. So I don't know why they sent this huge onion. That is really big. But we did get 6 potatoes, so I guess that's 3 apiece. So I guess that's supposed to be for the potato wedges. So yeah, that's the potato wedges. I'm not sure which one of these we're doing tonight. Those burgers, if this is for the burgers, that is 10 ounces. That is not a very big burger. I'm just saying. Okay, this is for the spicy maple chicken, which we got the chicken cutlets here for. And then we have, this is for bacon broccoli. So we have a little pack of broccoli. It looks about like maybe 8 ounces. Some breadcrumbs, some red pepper flakes, some sour cream, some maple syrup. And there's also 6 potatoes in this as well. 6 white potatoes. There's 6 of them. It is cold. Doesn't smell bad, but this one also has some of that stuff on it, that gel. I guess the ice pack busted. So this is for our pork sausage pepper heroes. Pork sausage and pepper heroes. So we have our, okay, so let's go look at this picture because this does not look like the picture, you guys. Okay, so this is the picture. And the bun is like, it's a little bit bigger than that brioche bun. Like, seriously. So I was expecting, when it said hero, just look at the brioche bun. Just kind of compare the hamburger bun to they're very similar in size. So anyways, there's that. Huge pepper. We have garlic powder, cheese, more potatoes. They should have just sent me a whole bag. Some Italian seasoning, some tomato paste, and an onion. So I also got 6 of these potatoes again. So yeah, they should have just sent me a pack of potatoes. So I really did expect those buns to be more like sub rolls, but, and it actually says a baguette, so I guess that's what those are. Okay, and this is our last one. It is creamy tomato and chicken sausage risotto. Again, they all have these QR codes, and when I come back to reveal what the dish looks like, I'll let you know if that was the recipe or not. And again, I am doing Home Chef next week. I believe my delivery date is also on a Wednesday, so look for that video as well. So I got some fresh parsley. It just says chicken. So I'm assuming it's like a chicken bouillon, except the I don't know if y'all have ever used it, but there's a paste, and it's really, really good. So I'm assuming that's kind of what that is. It's like a chicken bouillon. There is a box, and that's different, of crushed tomatoes. Never seen a box before. It's also another onion. By the way, I don't like onions. My husband eats onions, so I'll probably omit the onion and use onion powder, or either I'll just put them really big so I can take them out, or I can put them in a cheesecloth. Depends on how they need to be cooked. There's a little bag of risotto. It says 5.75 ounces. There is some cheese. It looks like Parmesan. There is more of that chicken, and I'm assuming this is bouillon. We'll have to look at the recipe card and see. Sour cream. I am not sure what this is. So we'll look at the card and see what that is as well. And there's also a little Roma tomato. This does not look like a lot of ingredients, you guys. So let's look at the recipe card. It says 2 servings, but it really does not look like a lot of food. Okay, so that is chicken stock concentrate. And, oh, okay, so this little pack that I said I didn't know what was, because I'm blind and I can't see anyways, but this little pack, it is red wine vinegar. So this is red wine vinegar. All right, and we will come back and let you know how it turns out. We'll do an unveiling, and now I just got to figure out which one we're having tonight. All right, see you guys soon.